Welcome to the ultimate guide for car campers. If you're all about that van life, weekend road trips, or simply love escaping into nature with your four-wheeled home, this video is for you. Today we're counting down 30 must-have car camping gadgets and accessories that'll elevate your adventures, keep you organized, and bring serious comfort on the road. Let's jump straight into the list. Number 1. Rooftop Tent Hardshell. A rooftop hardshell tent is the crown jewel of car camping. Designed for ease and durability, this tent mounts securely to your vehicle's roof rack, unfolding into a spacious sleeping pod in minutes. The shell is typically made from rugged ABS or fiberglass composite that shields you from rain, snow, and wind. Inside, you'll find a built-in foam mattress, ventilation windows, and often a telescoping ladder for easy access. Unlike soft tents, the hardshell ensures better insulation and aerodynamics while driving. Setup and breakdown are lightning fast, ideal for on-the-go campers. Number 2. Air Mattress. An air mattress built specifically for car camping can completely transform your backseat into a cozy sleeping zone. These mattresses often feature a contoured design that fits snugly between the rear seats and footwells. Made with puncture-resistant PVC and flocked tops, they're both durable and soft to the touch. Most include built-in or rechargeable air pumps for fast inflation. You'll appreciate how it evens out the bumpy surface, offering a decent night's sleep on long road trips. Look for models with multiple air chambers to keep the shape stable and adjustable firmness. Number 3. Steering Wheel Desk. A steering wheel desk is a game changer for remote workers or campers who need a quick meal or laptop stand. Crafted from high-density plastic or lightweight aluminum, it hooks directly onto the bottom of the steering wheel. On one side, you typically get a flat surface with cup holder indentations, ideal for eating. Flip it over and you'll find a smooth tray for writing or laptop use. Its compact size makes it easy to stash under the seat when not in use. The material is easy to wipe down, and it's surprisingly sturdy for its size. Number 4. Heated Electric Car Blanket. The heated electric car blanket is a must for chilly overnights or early morning starts. Plug it into your car's 12V socket and enjoy instant warmth. These blankets are often made from plush polyester fleece for comfort and durability. Most models offer multiple heat settings and an automatic shutoff for safety. The cord is usually long enough to reach the back seat, making it great for passengers too. Despite being electric, they're energy efficient and don't drain your car battery easily. It folds compactly and stores in a carry bag, ready to warm you during winter camping or emergency situations. Number 5. Car Trash Can. Keeping your vehicle clean is crucial on multi-day trips, and a compact car trash can is just the tool for the job. These bins are made from leak-proof, waterproof materials, like Oxford fabric with a solid inner liner. They often come with adjustable straps to secure around headrests or center consoles. The lid typically features a flip top or magnetic closure to trap odors, and many models include mesh pockets for extra storage. Durable stitching ensures they hold up to regular use. Keeping wrappers, bottles, and tissues contained has never been more convenient or stylish. Number 6. Tactical Grade Flashlight. Every camper needs a reliable light source, and a tactical grade flashlight brings unmatched brightness and durability. These are often crafted from military-grade aluminum alloy, making them impact and water-resistant. Many models feature multiple brightness levels, including strobe and SOS modes for emergencies. With up to 1,000 lumens or more, they light up trails, campsites, or engine bays effortlessly. Rechargeable batteries and USB-C ports make powering up easy on the go. The compact design fits in your glove box, yet it's powerful enough to use as self-defense or emergency signaling. Number 7. Car Trunk Organizer. A car trunk organizer helps you keep your gear sorted and your space tidy. These often feature multiple compartments made from rigid, collapsible panels. You'll usually get heavy-duty handles, waterproof lining, and adjustable dividers. Some even come with detachable coolers or lid covers. Non-slip bottoms and buckle straps help secure the organizer during driving. Whether it's for groceries, emergency tools, or camping gear, you'll always know where things are. The best models fold flat when not in use but expand to hold everything from blankets to kitchenware. Keeping your vehicle efficient and clutter-free is key to stress-free adventures. Number 8. Car Seat Snack Tray designed for convenience. The car seat snack tray is a handy addition for road meals and kid-friendly trips. These trays attach easily to headrests or rest across the lap, and often come with non-slip surfaces and cup holders. Made from BPA-free plastic or foldable bamboo, they're sturdy enough to hold drinks, food, or a tablet. Some even feature adjustable legs for stability. Cleanup is a breeze with smooth, wipeable surfaces. Whether you're munching on a sandwich or letting your kids play with toys in the backseat, this tray adds a layer of practicality to any ride. Number 9. Car Power Inverter. A car power inverter transforms your 12V car outlet into a fully functioning AC power source. These compact devices typically feature a couple of 110V AC outlets and multiple USB ports. High-end models include cooling fans, overload protection, and surge safety. They're ideal for powering laptops, mini fridges, or charging drone batteries. Encased in durable aluminum, they resist bumps and heat. Despite their small size, they pack a punch, some delivering up to 500 watts of continuous power. It's a must-have for digital nomads, tech-savvy campers, or anyone who needs to keep electronics charged on the road. Number 10. Memory foam pillow. Comfort is king when you're sleeping in a car, and a memory foam pillow makes all the difference. These pillows mold to your head and neck, offering excellent support during long naps or overnight camping. The outer cover is usually removable and washable, made from breathable fabrics like bamboo or microfiber. Some designs come with a travel pouch for compact storage. Unlike inflatable pillows, memory foam doesn't deflate or shift around. It's durable, hypoallergenic, and ideal for anyone who suffers from neck strain. A good pillow turns cramped car sleep into a surprisingly restful experience. Number 11. Disposable urinal bags. When nature calls and there's no restroom in sight, disposable urinal bags offer a hygienic solution. These are compact pouches with a gel substance that solidifies liquids instantly, eliminating leaks and odors. Made from heavy-duty, medical-grade materials, they often include a unisex adapter for ease of use. Perfect for emergencies, nighttime use, or remote locations, each bag can hold up to 700 milliliters and seals completely after use. They're lightweight, mess-free, and can be discreetly discarded. An underrated but essential item for long drives and wild camping, where facilities are miles away. Number 12. Solar shower bag. A solar shower bag lets you enjoy a warm rinse even in the wilderness. These bags usually hold 5 gallons and are made from heat-absorbing PVC or TPU materials. Just fill it with water and leave it under the sun for a few hours. The temperature gauge and on-off nozzle provide convenient control. A hanging strap and durable handle let you suspend it from a tree or car rack. Ideal for washing off dirt, sweat, or salt water. The foldable design makes it easy to pack and reuse for multiple trips. Number 13. Car ceiling storage net. When space is tight, the car ceiling storage net is a clever solution for maximizing room. This mesh organizer installs between the car's grab handles, creating a hammock-style pocket for storing soft items like jackets, blankets, or snacks. Made from durable polyester mesh and reinforced straps, it holds surprising weight without sagging. It's especially useful for keeping frequently used items within arm's reach without cluttering the seats or trunk. The net is breathable, ensuring airflow and preventing odors or mildew buildup. Once installed, it creates a neat, out-of-the-way storage area that's perfect for long-term road trips or daily commutes alike. Number 14. Emergency fire blanket. An emergency fire blanket is one of those things you hope never to use, but you'll be grateful to have. Made from flame-retardant fiberglass, it's designed to smother small fires instantly by cutting off oxygen. It's compact, easy to store under a seat or in the trunk, and simple enough for anyone to use. Just pull it from the pouch and drape it over flames. It's especially useful near cooking stoves, car batteries, or campfires. Unlike fire extinguishers, it leaves no mess and doesn't expire. Lightweight yet powerful, it's a must-have safety net for any camper or road tripper. Number 15. Car Seat Organizer Hook. These smart little hooks turn the back of your car seats into useful hanging space. Made from heavy-duty plastic or stainless steel, they clip easily onto headrest rods. You can hang bags, groceries, coats, or even small trash bins. Many models support up to 50 pounds per hook. Some even have rotating designs or lock into place for better stability. They help keep the floor clear, reduce clutter, and prevent spills. Whether it's organizing gear or hanging your day pack after a hike, these hooks are one of the cheapest, most effective upgrades for your car interior. Number 16. Inflatable Couch. The inflatable couch is a portable throne for campers who like lounging in style. Crafted from ripstop nylon or polyester, these couches inflate, using air scooped in with a few quick movements. No pump needed. Once sealed, they hold their shape for hours, providing a surprisingly comfy seat or lounger. Some feature built-in headrests, side pockets, and stakes to secure them to the ground. They're waterproof, float on water, and deflate into a small sack for easy transport. Whether you're chilling under the stars or relaxing by the lake, this couch turns any spot into your personal chill zone. Number 17. Car Sun Visor Tissue Holder. Keeping tissues within reach while driving is easier with a Sun Visor tissue holder. This sleek accessory clips directly to your sun visor, offering fast access without fumbling through the glove box. Usually made from PU leather or durable fabric, it holds standard tissue packs or reusable refill sleeves. Some models also come with card slots or extra storage. It keeps tissues neat, clean, and always ready, perfect for unexpected spills, dust, or a quick cleanup. Its low-profile design blends into your interior, adding functionality without sacrificing aesthetics. Number 18. LED Camping Lantern. An LED camping lantern is a must-have for nighttime visibility. These lanterns often come with adjustable brightness settings ranging up to 1,000 lumens. Built with ABS plastic or aircraft-grade aluminum, they're rugged, water-resistant, and drop-tested. Many feature rechargeable batteries with USB-C input and output, allowing them to double as power banks. Some even include hanging hooks or magnetic bases for mounting versatility. Unlike traditional gas lanterns, LEDs are safer, cooler to touch, and longer-lasting. Whether lighting up a tent, picnic table, or engine bay, a good lantern ensures you're never left in the dark. Number 19. Portable Power Station. A portable power station is the heart of your off-grid setup. These lithium-powered devices can charge smartphones, laptops, mini-fridges, and even small appliances. With outputs including AC outlets, USB-A, USB-C, and 12V car ports, they're incredibly versatile. Most have a digital display showing remaining battery life and input-output status. Rugged housing, built-in fans, and carrying handles make them camp-ready. Some models also support solar charging, making them perfect for extended trips. Whether you're in a remote forest or boondocking in the desert, a reliable power station keeps your devices running and your setup fully functional. Number 20. Roadside Assistance Kit. Safety first. A roadside assistance kit equips you to handle minor emergencies with confidence. These kits usually include jumper cables, a reflective warning triangle, tire pressure gauge, tow rope, multi-tool, gloves, and a first aid pack. Housed in a compact, zippered bag, the tools are organized and ready for use. The best kits use heavy-gauge jumper cables and industrial-quality tools that won't break under stress. Whether you're fixing a flat, recharging a dead battery, or treating a scrape, this kit is a vital companion. It's peace of mind packed into a bag, perfect for daily driving or off-grid adventures. Number 21. Car Seat Side Organizer. This slim, pocket-style organizer slides between the car seat and center console, creating a space to hold phones, wallets, snacks, and more. Made from PU leather, fabric, or molded plastic, it matches most car interiors and resists wear. Some versions have built-in cup holders, USB ports, or coin trays. It prevents items from falling into the gap, a known black hole for keys and change. Keeping essentials within easy reach improves comfort and reduces distractions while driving. It's a subtle upgrade that adds a surprising amount of organization to your car cabin. Number 22. Multi-Tool Camping Accessories. A quality multi-tool is the Swiss Army knife of the outdoors. These compact gadgets typically include pliers, knives, screwdrivers, bottle openers, scissors, and saws, all in one foldable body. Made from stainless steel with a locking mechanism for safety, they're ready for everything from food prep to gear repair. Some even include fire starters or whistle attachments. Stored in a pouch on your belt or backpack, a multi-tool is a survival essential. Whether you're fixing a tent pole or opening a can, this tool gets the job done with minimal bulk. Number 23. Camping Fan with Light. When the nights get stuffy, a camping fan with built-in light becomes your best friend. These battery-powered or rechargeable fans offer multiple speed settings and can run for hours on a full charge. The integrated LED light usually comes with dimmable settings, making it perfect for reading or ambient lighting. Many models have hanging hooks or foldable stands for flexible use. Some even include aroma diffusers or USB outputs. Designed to be quiet yet effective, they improve air circulation in tents, vans, or back seats. It's a dual-purpose device that enhances comfort wherever you park. Number 24. Car Sun Visor Organizer. This upgrade turns your visor into a mini dashboard. The Sun Visor Organizer includes slots for cards, pens, documents, and even sunglasses. Made from PU leather or durable fabric, it attaches with elastic bands and sits flush against the visor. It helps you keep essentials like licenses, toll receipts, or emergency contacts visible and within reach. It doesn't block your vision and blends neatly into the vehicle's interior. Instead of digging through glove boxes, everything you need is just a glance away. It's simple but effective, especially on the road. Number 20. My Portable Toilet Set. When nature doesn't offer facilities, a portable toilet set saves the day. These sets often include a collapsible or foldable toilet seat, leak-proof bags, and absorbent pads or gelling powder. The frame is lightweight yet sturdy enough to support adult weight, often folding flat for easy storage. Some kits include privacy shelters or tents for a more comfortable experience. The sanitary bags are usually biodegradable, making them eco-friendly and easy to dispose of. Whether you're boondocking or parked miles from the nearest rest stop, this setup delivers privacy, comfort, and peace of mind. Number 26. Collapsible Sink Basin. A collapsible sink basin is a true utility powerhouse for washing dishes, prepping food, or storing water. Made from BPA-free silicone and plastic, it folds flat for easy storage and pops open in seconds. Some models come with built-in drains or plug systems to make water disposal hassle-free. The durable material handles hot water and won't collapse mid-use. It doubles as a storage bin for gear, ice, or even snacks. Perfect for campers who love cooking outdoors or want to keep things clean without wasting space. Lightweight, compact, and endlessly versatile, it's a must-pack essential. Number 27. Car Windshield Sunshade Tent. Think of this as a mini awning for your ride. The car windshield sunshade tent attaches to the roof or windshield, extending outward to create shaded space for relaxing or cooking. Typically made from UV reflective fabric and sturdy poles, it offers instant relief from sun exposure and can reduce interior temps drastically. Easy to set up and fold down, it's great for beach days, tailgating, or desert drives. Some models even convert into rain shelters or privacy barriers. It's like adding a patio to your vehicle, turning your parking spot into a chill zone. Number 28. Magnetic Mosquito Net Window Covers. Bugs are the worst, especially when you're trying to sleep with the windows cracked. These magnetic mosquito nets solve that problem beautifully. Designed to fit snugly over your car's side or rear windows, they're made from fine mesh that blocks even the tiniest pests. Magnetic strips or elastic edges keep them securely in place while still allowing airflow. Some versions even let you roll the window up or down with them on. They're breathable, easy to install, and fold into small pouches for storage. Say goodbye to bites and hello to breezy, peaceful nights. Number 29. Foldable Camping Table. A foldable camping table gives you a stable surface anywhere, anytime. These lightweight tables usually come with aluminum frames and MDF or roll-top surfaces, making them easy to carry but strong enough for heavy meals or gear. They pop open in seconds and pack down small to fit in your trunk. Some include cup holders or mesh storage nets underneath. Whether you're cooking, dining, or just playing cards under the stars, this table adds convenience to your mobile base camp. It's an essential for anyone who wants to turn their campsite into a livable lounge. Number 30. Waterproof Roof Storage Bag. Running out of room inside your car? A waterproof roof storage bag expands your cargo capacity without the need for a hard case. These bags strap securely to your vehicle's roof rails or door frames and are built from heavy-duty PVC or tarpaulin fabric. They're fully waterproof, wind-resistant, and often feature welded seams and zipper flaps to keep contents dry. With capacities ranging from 15 to 20 cubic feet, they're ideal for storing extra bedding, tents, or even cooking gear. When not in use, they fold into a small storage pouch. Let us know which gadget you liked most in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on the coolest gear to upgrade your car camping game. Safe travels and happy camping!